and welcome to another DesignSpark unboxing video. My name is Kamilla. I'm an application engineer with RS Components, and the focus of today's video is Microchip's SAM-IoT WG Development Kit, which is this small yet easily expandable development kit for rapid prototyping of IoT solutions. Out of the box, the board is already pre-programmed to connect to Google Cloud IoT core platform, and it enables you to send the data from sensors on the board to the cloud in just 30 seconds. In this video, we'll go through the main components on the board, but if you want to go into more detail and want to start programming the board, check out the link in the description below where we have a full article. When you order the kit from us, it comes in this small box, and inside you'll see the board itself, and all the components are located on one side of the board, but on the other side you have this barcode which gives you easy access to the kit's page, which is at sam-iot.com, where you'll find a bit more information on the kit itself, on the components, and also some easy steps to get started with the board. So starting with the microcontroller, the SAM-IoT WG Development Kit features Microchip's SAM D21 Cortex M0 Plus based 32-bit microcontroller. And with this MCU, you could expect operating frequency of 48 MHz, but also some of the advanced features like single cycle hardware multiplier or microtrace buffer. Another board that you might be familiar with that features the same MCU is Microchip's SAM D21 Xplained Pro kit. The next model on the board is Microchip's ATwing 1510 Wi-Fi network controller, which is compliant with IEEE 802.11bgn wireless standard, and also it features internal flash memory of 8 MB. It uses SPI port to connect to the host microcontroller, and it comes with printed PCB antenna, which operates at 2.4 GHz. Now we have sorted out control and connectivity elements on the board, let's talk security. The board incorporates a small, low-power AT-ECC608 cryptographic coprocessor, which is not only compatible with the SAM D21 MCU on the board, but with all the Microchip's MCU and MPUs. Some of the use cases for this IC are cloud authentication, message encryption, IP protection, and so on, which are the security measures that became necessity and not a choice for applications that have IoT nodes, such as in home automation, industrial application, or healthcare. The board can be powered through the USB cable or with lithium-ion or LiPo batteries, which are not provided with the kit. The MCP93971 charger on the board can be used to charge the batteries with a minimum capacity of 400 mAh, as well as the onboard debugger can be used to generate 3.3 volts that are necessary to power the MCU, the onboard debugger, as well as the other peripherals. There are two sensors that are available on the board, which are the temperature and light sensor. The MCP9808 temperature sensor can be used to measure the temperature in the range between -20 to 100 degrees, as well as the TMT600 light sensor can be used to measure the light intensity up to 100 lux. The SAM-IoT WG Development Board features the onboard debugger, which can be used for programming and debugging of the components on the board without the need for external hardware. And finally, you'll notice that the board features microbus connector, which means that you will be able to expand the functionality of this dev kit by adding microelectronic click boards or any other microbus add-on boards. With these components on the board, SAM-IoT WG Development Kit ticks the boxes for three main pillars of any IoT solution, which are processing, connectivity, and security. So it should be easy to start building your first IoT application out of the box with this kit. And if you need more guidance, as I mentioned before, follow the link in the description for a hands-on demonstration of this board. And this is it for today's video. My name is Kamilla, and I'll see you next time. Bye.